Hello students, welcome to the class. This is Hemlata Soni and today we are going to read chapter 3, The Little Girl, written by Catherine Mansfield from NCERT book Beehive for class 9th. And before we read, just have an acquaintance with the characters in this chapter. Kezia, a small girl and the main character in this story. Parents of Kezia, grandmother of Kezia, Alice the cook, McDonald's, neighbors of Kezia. So children, here McDonald's word is used for the couple, husband and wife. Both are mentioned as McDonald's. 5 children of McDonald's. Mao is one of 5 children of McDonald's. And here is the theme of the chapter. The chapter shows the relation between a child and her parents. When children are young, they often think that their parents are strict, fond of discipline and overprotecting for them, but they forget that parents love them and their strictness is a strategy to teach them the lessons of disciplined life. Punishment may be a means to inculcate good habits, but extreme punishment and no interaction result into a poor development of the child. Interaction among the members of a family helps to understand each other's desire, love and expectations. So children will see in this chapter that there is lack of communication and interaction among the family members, and Kezia, the little girl, suffers a lot due to this lacking, and because of strict behavior of her father, she develops negative thinking towards him and she starts to hate her father. Here is an introduction of the chapter. Kezia is a little girl who is afraid of her father. Kezia has formal relations with her parents. Formal means she is not close, open and frank with them, and she cannot share her secrets with them. Kezia thinks her father to be a giant and she stammers while talking with him. So Kezia finds his father as a big man and she cannot speak properly. She stops in between like father. So she cannot speak properly. She stammers whenever she talks with him. Grandma sends her to spend a good time with her parents on Sundays, but Kezia finds her parents busy in themselves. Kezia tears the speech of her father for Port Authority to prepare a surprise gift on his birthday. Kezia is beaten with a ruler by her father. So Kezia prepared a pin cushion as a surprise birthday gift on her father's birthday, but because she stuffed this pin cushion with the papers of speech that was written by her father, and these were the important papers, that's why for this mistake she is beaten with a ruler by her father. Kezia finds her neighbor Mr. McDonald a loving father. She realizes her father's affection when her mother is hospitalized and he takes care of her. And here the chapter is given in detail. Kezia was a little girl. She feared her father and thought that her father was a giant as he had big hands, big neck and a big mouth. She always avoided him as she found him cruel. Kezia's father worked in an office and went to the office in the morning. Before going, he went to the little girl's room to give her a casual kiss. The father went to the office in a carriage and she felt very happy when her father had gone because she is relaxed when she doesn't find her father at home. In the evening, the little girl's father came back and spoke loudly in the house. So as the father entered the house, he started to ask his tea and newspaper at a high pitch of his voice. Kezia feared her father's loud voice. Her mother would ask her to go and take off his shoes. When she entered his room, he looked at her sternly. So Kezia thought that her father was a hard-hearted person. So Kezia found her father staring at her all the time. That's why she disliked him. On Sunday afternoon, grandmother sent Kezia down to drawing room to have a nice talk with her parents, but the girl always found them busy in their work. Once her father told that she looked like a brown owl when she was staring him sleeping. So on Sunday afternoons, she is sent to the drawing room to have a nice talk with her parents. But you can see the scene of the drawing room. Kezia is standing alone and her father is sleeping on the sofa. He has covered his face with a handkerchief, and her mother is busy in reading, and she is doing nothing there. She is standing only. And one day when her father was sleeping, she was looking at him, and her father woke up and he found Kezia looking at him. So he told that Kezia was looking like a brown owl when she was staring him. One day when Kezia was kept inside the house due to cold, her grandmother asked her to make a pincushion to present it to her father on his birthday. She needed paper to stuff the pincushions. She found some sheets of paper in her father's room and tore the sheets to stuff the pincushion. Her father had written an important speech, so he was very angry with her. He took a stick and beat her severely and told her not to touch anything that did not belong to her. Kezia wept bitterly and wondered why God had made fathers. Now she trembled even at the sight of her father. So one day when Kezia was suffering from cold and she was kept inside the house, grandmother suggested her that she should prepare a pincushion as a surprise gift for her father. And grandmother had given her a silk stuff, and Kezia had stitched the three sides of the pincushion. Pincushion is like a small pillow. So she needed some cotton or some clothes to stuff the pincushion. She went to her father's room, and on the table she could see some sheets were lying there, and she tore the sheets into pieces and she stuffed the pincushion with those papers, and those papers were important to his father because this was a speech that he had prepared for Port Authority. And when he came to know that the speech was torn by Kezia, Kezia was beaten severely, and Kezia wept bitterly, and she asked her grandmother why God had made fathers. She was hating her father because she was hoping an appreciation for preparing a surprise birthday gift, but instead of appreciation, she was beaten with a ruler. Now, whenever she saw her father, she started to shiver. She was frightening more than before. One day, Kezia saw her neighbor, Mr. MacDonald, playing with his children. They all looked very happy, but Kezia's father never played with her. Now she thought that there were different kind of fathers in the world. Her own father was very cruel. After this incident, one day when Kezia was standing nearby the fencing, she was poking from the fencing and she saw that Mr. MacDonald was playing with his 5 children, and you can see here in the picture Mao is sitting on his shoulder and 4 children are moving around him. So she was jealous of these children and she was thinking that there are different categories of father, and Mr. MacDonald is a loving father and his father is included under the category of a strict and hard-hearted person. After a few days, Kezia's mother was ill, so grandmother took her to hospital. Kezia was alone in the house with Alice the cook. She had to sleep alone in her bedroom. At night, she had a horrible dream daily in which she saw a butcher with a knife and rope. Her grandmother used to take care of her whenever she had that nightmare, but she was in hospital with her mother. Kezia had the same nightmare. She was terrified and gave a loud cry. Her father came into her room, lifted her and took her to his own bed. She lay beside her father. So one day when Kezia's mother was not well, she was hospitalized and grandmother was in hospital to take care of her, and Alice the cook left Kezia in her bedroom and told her not to disturb her father, because he was already disturbed because of her ill mother. And Kezia was daily having a nightmare, a bad dream, in which she saw a butcher with a knife and rope who came to kill her. And whenever she saw that dream previously, she went to her grandmother, and grandmother was taking care of her during her nightmare. But this time, when her mother was in hospital and grandmother was not at home, again she had the same dream, and now she was terrified and she cried loudly. On hearing her cry, her father came inside the room. He lifted the little girl and he took the girl into his room, and now she was sleeping beside her father. He was tired and fell asleep before her. Kezia found her father loving for the first time and was lost in thoughts. So because he was tired, so he slept before Kezia, and Kezia was still awakened. And this was happening for the first time in her life, that her father was sleeping beside her. So this is the first time when she is with her father in an affection. So she is thinking that her father is loving. He thought that he had to work hard every day. He had no time and he was too tired to play with her after returning from his office. She realized her mistake to tear those important papers. Now she found that her father was not cruel but caring. He had a big and loving heart. So now she is lost in her thoughts and she is realizing her mistake, that she tore the important papers of her father. That's why she was punished. And now she is thinking that her father is a busy man. That's why he doesn't have time to play with her. And this time she finds her father a loving and affectionate man, and she says at last that he is not a strict and cruel father, but he is a loving and affectionate person, because first time he has shown his affection in the absence of her mother and grandmother. So this is the story, children. Kezia is very happy at the last and she is sleeping. She is having a nice sleep. Message: parents punish the children for their better life, but children fail to understand the true motive behind the stern action of their parents and they develop negativity for them. The message is conveyed to both the children and parents. Children should trust their parents and the parents should not punish them physically, because physical punishment leaves its marks not only on body but on mind and soul too. A healthy and open communication among the members of a family develops a strong bonding and fair relationships. So here are some fill-ups for you. You will read the sentences and you will write the word in blank.